So we are here gonna talk about waste cooking oil. Do you know what waste cooking oil is? Waste cooking oil is byproduct of frying process. This oil contains free fatty acid resulting by hydrolysis during the frying process. According to the Executive Director of Gabungan Industri Minyak Nabati Indonesia, 20% of waste cooking oil circle in Indonesia still being reused. This indicates that many people still unaware of the harmful component in the waste cooking oil. Did you know that using waste cooking oil without proper processing could have impact our health and environment? Let's check it out. Have you ever poured waste cooking oil down the drain? It might seem like no big deal, but the consequence not so simple. Use repeatedly oil can clog pipes, cause drainage problem, and even lead to local flooding. When it soaks into the ground, it blocks the soil pores, making it hard, dry, and useless for growing plants. Over time, it can damage the ecosystem in that area. Then, how about health-wise? Using cooking oil without proper treatment can create carcinogenic compounds. That means a high risk of cancer, obesity, and cholesterol problem. It's especially dangerous when you use repeatedly oil for frying.
Used cooking oil isn't just a waste. It can be recycled into biodiesel, a cleaner fuel alternative. It can also be turned into dish soap or scented candles, giving it value while reducing waste. If dumped, it reacts with microbes and oxygens. Some of it breaks down slowly, releasing harmful substances. It can also form oily layers in water, causing pollution and harming aquatic life. So instead to throw it away, let's recycle it for environment, for our health, and for the future.
Oil can be bad for pipes. Especially fat that builds up in pipes can cause blockages and is difficult to remove. It can even be fatal if it mixes with fat or other substances in the water pipes, which over time create fatty acid and glycerol that can trigger the appearance of fat purge.
Excuse me, I want to ask you about cooking oil. What's your name?
Gunawan.
Do you often use waste cooking oil?
Minyaknya pakai satu kali.
Okay. Where do you usually throw away waste cooking oil?
Yang pertama yang pakai satu kali itu dibuat bapak goreng-goreng. Buat goreng tahu ya, goreng-gorengan tuh jualan bakso orangnya.
Do you often use waste cooking oil?
Berulang kali gitu.
Yeah. Okay, second question. Why do you reuse cooking oil?
Biar hemat.
Waste cooking oil may seem like just another byproduct of daily life, but its improper disposal and repeated use carry serious consequences. Some street food vendors still reuse cooking oil multiple times to save money, unaware of the health risks involved. Reused oil can form toxic carcinogen compounds that increase the risk of cancer, obesity, and cardiovascular disease. Instead of dumping it, used oil can be recycled. It can turn into biodiesel, dish soap, or scented candles, giving it new life and reducing environmental impact. If recycling isn't possible, collect it in a sealed container and take it to a local recycling center, or designated waste disposal site and never pour it directly into the drain or toilet. Used cooking oil isn't just waste. When handled properly, it becomes a resource. Let's recycle for our health, our environment, and a cleaner future.